Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and I'm standing outside one of our fix and flips that we listed, then took back off the market and fixed up again. You guys might recognize this house as one that had the really ugly paint. So we had some different contractors come through, do some more work, and now it's ready to list again. Looks so much better than it did. They're actually some painters that we use a lot. And we found some other things too, just walking through it. They repainted all the outside trim, which made it look a lot nicer. Pulled weeds, cleaned up everything. You know, got rid of the doorbell wire. Painted our front door. And then of course, the paint is much different now. Just a off-white, light beige. Kind of goes with the dark floors. It just feels like a completely different house. I know a lot of you asked me to do a white board on the stairs. I told Nikki to do it, but she didn't do it, so oh well, that's okay. And our kitchen, which the painters also completely repainted the cabinets. And they just look so much better because they actually did it right. They sanded them down, they primed them, and now they look like they're supposed to be white. Not like there's just a bunch of white chalk on them. So much better. Fixed the toe kicks. Took off the different old security thing that we didn't want there. All the bedrooms are painted so much better. Bathrooms. They actually pulled the toilet this time and painted behind it, which was nice. But we asked our first guy, we had our roofer, if you haven't heard the whole story, who's done a lot of roofs for us, wanted to flip a house and do the work inside. So we decided to let him do it, and it did not turn out well. We asked him like 10 different times to replace the batteries and the smoke alarm, which you don't hear chirping right now. Yes. And just do other stuff. So we replaced all the door hinges, although they use gold. I would have liked to see silver, but that's okay, because the other guy just painted over all of them and they looked horrible. Cleaned out the garage. Although we did not paint the floor, yes, the roofer had done that with his painting of the cabinets, I believe. It's just too cold in Colorado to paint the garage floor right now, and it shouldn't be that big of a deal. Right. Other things we had them do, they put this trim back up, which was supposed to be done by the other contractor and he never did it. And then just had them clean up the wires, the basement, make it look a lot nicer. So this house we bought, I think it was $245. We spent total now probably in the $20,000 range on repairs. We had it listed at $299,900, and we'll probably just put it back up for that again. Then we'll have like 15, maybe 20,000 other costs, so not an amazing deal after having to spend more money on two different contractors. The second guy's charged us $4,100 for labor on what they did. We also took out, there's an old fence there, took that out. Again, painted the trim out here. This looks much better. So I did make a commission when I bought it as an agent, so that helps. But it's supposed to be a really quick, easy flip. That's why we didn't have a huge profit margin. I'm okay with that, but turned into a little longer, drawn out process, which happens sometimes. But we'll still do fine and have plenty more other projects to work on, have 60 other flips going on, and we'll have videos on those. Real estate advice videos, lots of other good stuff coming up. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys appreciate it. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll try to answer them. Thanks a lot.